Microsoft Rewards is a fantastic platform for getting completely free stuff online. What if I told you that you've been using Microsoft Rewards wrong? If you guys go ahead and follow every single one of the steps that I'm going to outline in today's video, you're going to take your daily Microsoft Rewards from maybe low tens to easily thousands. And the reason why I know this is going to work is because it's been working for me and my friends forever. And we've gone ahead and figured out that it's about time to let you guys onto the method. So make sure you guys watch this video all the way to the very end. What is going on, guys? My name is Xavier, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited Microsoft Rewards points. The methods I'm going to be showing you today have been working for me and all of my friends to literally get all the free gift cards, all the free anything off of Microsoft Rewards that we could ever want. So without further ado, let me show you the methods right now. So getting onto the Microsoft Rewards page, I went ahead and made an entirely fresh new account right now just to show you guys that the methods I'm going to be showing you today actually are really good. The first thing I would always recommend is making sure to get on every single day and answer these daily sets. So right here, as you guys can see, there is a daily poll. Let's go ahead and click this right here. And let's go ahead and answer these questions. Do you prefer to eat spicy or mild food? I prefer spicy personally. And then boom, just like that, guys, because most people are right compared to the other nerds who aren't right, I just got a free 10 points. I can also do this celebrity news thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one and see if this one is kind of interesting at all. Why were fans upset about Billy Joel's TV concert? It was pay-per-view. Oh, no, I was wrong. CBS cutaway. The #1 movie, oh, Godzilla x Kong, easy. The movie was gas, by the way. What actor and rapper made a surprise appearance in Coachella? I think it was Ice Cube. I don't know why Mark Wahlberg would be there. Yeah, what is Will Smith cooking up there? After 15 years, what daytime talk show is ending? It's The View. Who was sentenced in the... Oh, Alec Baldwin. What said in Taylor Swift in a recent interview, Taylor Swift is not important? Probably Courtney Love. She's kind of a judgmental woman. Yeah, I got that right. What late night legend granddaughter sang on American Idol? Nope, wrong. Anyway, I got most of them wrong, but it doesn't matter. I literally got 10 points just like that for completely free. So make sure you guys do all of these right here, because as you guys can see, if you stick on it, you will get a 45-point bonus with at least 2 days to go. On top of that, Microsoft Rewards usually offers some pretty nice rewards just for being on the site. So as you guys can see right here, I could get Spotify Premium for completely free if I just search on Bing on Microsoft Edge for at least 3 days to get Microsoft Premium. But what I will say is that you guys also should be searching on Bing if you're looking to maximize your Microsoft Rewards points, because when you search on Bing, you get like 10 points up to 100 points for every single search that you do with Bing. So all you'll need to do is that you'll need to just get on Microsoft Edge like a loser and just like search up whatever. You can search up your own stuff. You can search up whatever. I'm not gonna lie, the Microsoft Copilot thing that Bing has is pretty nice. So I'd recommend you guys check that out. Because if we check right here, as you guys can see, there's some pretty nice rewards. I can get a Roblox gift card for only 1,500 points, which I'm pretty close to. I could go ahead and set that as a goal. I actually really like Microsoft Rewards. I don't think that they're that bad at all. However, what I will say about Microsoft Rewards is that, to be honest, what you get for the rewards themselves is not actually that good. So I would recommend you guys go ahead and look up Adle on the App Store, and you go ahead and download it right here. Adle is going to give you a lot better rewards for surveys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you it right now. Especially compared to Microsoft Rewards, as you guys can see right here, I've made like $62 with Adle very easily. I've actually made hundreds of dollars with Adle just filling out these super easy surveys right here. And if you guys want to make a free 50 cents just for downloading Adle, all you guys got to do is that you got to go ahead and accept my friend invite. So all you got to do after you download Adle is that you got to go to my profile right here, scroll down to where it says enter referral code, and then enter my referral code, which is JCCGC. Once you guys enter that, you will get a free 50 cents just for signing up. So if you are interested in using Adle, make sure to go ahead and try that out, because as you guys can see, I've had over 1,100 people use this, and they have made themselves a combined $650. So I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and check that out. The next app I would recommend you guys install as well is going to be Eureka. And the nice thing about Eureka as well is that if you guys go ahead and sign up with either my link in the description down below or with my exclusive referral code, you will get a free $1 survey upon sign up that will literally take you no more than 30 seconds to go ahead and fill out. The next app I would recommend you guys go ahead and download from the App Store is going to be CashApp if you don't already have it installed. Because not a lot of people know this, but if you use this secret CashApp feature, you'd actually make a free $5 just for doing this. What I would recommend doing is I would recommend signing up to CashApp with a referral code. I would recommend you guys to go ahead and use my referral code if you don't already have one. I'm going to go ahead and leave my link to go ahead and sign up for Cash App in the description down below. But if you guys already have Cash App downloaded, and provided that you've downloaded it within the last week and you haven't already used a referral code, all you'll need to do to go ahead and redeem it is scroll the way down here, and if it says enter referral code, then go ahead and enter the referral code that I'm going to leave in the description down below. Keep in mind, guys, is that if you either sign up for Cash App with my link or the referral code, you do need to link a bank account and then send someone $5. What I would recommend doing is I would recommend just sending $5 to me, because I'll just go ahead and refund it to you. As you guys can see right here, I have had hundreds and hundreds of people, just like Lee and Jefferson right here, who made a completely free $5 just because all he did was go ahead and send $5 to me, which then I refunded to him, and then he went ahead and made a free $5 from Cash App themselves. Also, when you guys do this, you go ahead and support the channel and you support me. So if you want to go ahead and support more content just like this, make sure to go ahead and sign up for Cash App with my link down below. And with that all being said, guys, we have in fact hit the end of this video. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and sign up for all of the apps that I'm going to go ahead and include in the description down below, as well as making sure to click on this video that you see in front of you right now.